Hello and welcome to TextBlades. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make time and date snippets and also how to shift them if need be. So here we are on the TextBlades dashboard and we're going to teach you how to make different date snippets. First we're going to create a new snippet and then we can go ahead and label it and put the shortcut. So if we want to do one for the date, we can go ahead and label this date. The shortcut DT for date. Very simply, we go to the current date and then we decide which format we would like to be put in. Let's go ahead and choose a short full date, and that's it. Likewise, we can make a snippet for time. Let's go ahead and do that. We go and create a new snippet once more. This time, let's title it time, and as our shortcut, we can go with TI. From there, all we have to do is go to the bottom where it says current time and choose which format you would like it to be shown in. Choose this one, and that's how to make a time snippet. We're even able to preview the time we just created along with the date. This is perfect to check that you're doing the right thing. Now we're going to do something called date shifting. Pretend we're a project manager and we want a project done at a certain time. What we would do is write in our text, and now we're going to go to something called time and date shifting. We're going to choose 2 weeks. Let's say we want this project to be turned in 2 weeks. And we're even able to edit that. Let's pretend we don't want this in 2 weeks. Let's say we want this in 1 week. We can go ahead, click right there, in 1 week, and let's go ahead and preview this. We do in 1 week. We do the exact same thing with time, and that we want this done at a certain time. We can go ahead, go to date and time shifting. Let's say we want this in 2 hours. And the same thing goes here. We can go here and click, change if we want in 2 seconds, or if we even want, we can go right here where it says 2, put it a 1 for 1 hour. And as you can see, it's going to be due 1 hour from now. Alright, let's test this out in real time and see how it works. So here we are in Gmail right now. We're going to try these 2 new snippets out we just created. But remember, you can do this anywhere else on the web. So we're just going to go ahead and look at the DTTI. We're going to write D for date, and now we have the date. So if I'm a project manager, this would be perfect for me to be able to send out different tasks at hands and obviously change it according to what date I'd like it to be turned in. Okay, thank you for joining me today, and get blazing!